Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best car rear view mirror. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is iBox Dual Car DVR. Specifications: brand name, iBox. Display, IPS. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Video code, H.264. Max external memory, 64GB. Number of lenses, 6. Display size, 7 inches. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, M-Star. Frames per second, 30. Processor, M-Star 8339. Resolution: second camera, 1920 high-80. Display resolution, 1280 by 480. Number 4 on our list is Jansite 11.26 inches Car DVR. Specifications: brand name, Jansite. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video code, MJPG. Video format, AVI. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 1200 mega. Battery, built-in. Frames per second, 30. Display size, 11.26 inches. Number 3 on our list is HGDO D566 12 inches WIFI Car DVR. Specifications: brand name, HGDO. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video code, H.264. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Frames per second, 25. Number 2 on our list is 3 cameras dash cam. Specifications: brand name, ObjPeak. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Video code, H.264. Video format, DS, MP4. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 11.26 inch. GPS logger, external. Interface, AVN, Wi-Fi, micro SD/DF, Type-C. Battery, built-in. Rear view camera, 1920 by 1080p. Number 1 on our list is ASDOM PG17 Car Mirror DVR. Specifications: brand name, ASDOM. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Video code, H.264. Video format, AVI. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC2053. Pixels, 200 mega. Display size, 11.8 inches. GPS logger, external. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, M-Star. Frames per second, 30.